Here we go. Hey. Let's make it closer. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you want to do on my lap? Alright, it's our last night in Waco. Mama and Caroline are just hanging out. Want to go there one more time? Here we go. We've had a great trip, but we're ready to see Daddy and Sister tomorrow. Caroline's been a great little traveler. Can you say bye-bye? Bye.